Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Laura Hoaglund. We have a line of severe thunderstorms moving in from the west. The National Weather Service has just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Polk County. Let's take a look at this on our radar. Absolutely fantastic. There are no two better words used to describe high temperatures we saw today. Back in 1988, we set a record here in the metro, 57 degrees, but completely shattered that, getting all the way up to 65 degrees. We were in the 60s most of the afternoon. We started today a little bit cool at 19 degrees, but look at, we warmed up to 50 degrees here in the metro. Not a bad way to start off our work week to end February. Precision cast shows some cloud cover here. This is where the chance of scattered freezing rain is. It's not going to be a lot of precipitation, but it'll be enough to make the bridges and the underways a little bit slick, so please allow yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work, to get to school on time tomorrow. It's worth it. The real rain gets here tomorrow afternoon, moves into Iowa, gets to central Iowa late tomorrow night. We might even hear a few rumbles of thunder with this one outside. That's because of those strong southwesterly winds that I was talking about. These are the temperatures that are going to be blowing into our area, allowing for the phenomenal weather that we're going to see tomorrow. You can see this nasty low spinning here and bringing in the cloud and the precip into our area. You can see southeastern Iowa really got the bulk of it today, and unfortunately for them, they'll be in the path tomorrow. So low pressure system just sitting there spinning, bringing in all these clouds, chances of rain for those of us out east. Tomorrow, as this starts to creep away on Wednesday morning, we're going to have a high pressure out to our west move in, and what that's going to do for us is it's going to clear out our skies and give us a chance to really warm up for these upcoming days here. 50s here tonight. 40 degrees, it's going to be decreasing clouds, and it's going to be chilly, a lot chillier than we have been seeing. Winds out of the northwest, 6 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 56 is our high. It's going to be variably cloudy. Again, what I mean by that is we're going to be a couple degrees cooler or warmer, really depending on the cloud cover. Winds out of the northwest, 13 to 23 plus miles per hour. Folks, it's going to be windy. Well, we did it again. For the second day in a row, we broke a record here in the metro. We got all the way up to 81 degrees, and we were feeling the heat all around here. You folks in Marshalltown, 77 degrees, 78 in Webster City, and 79 for you folks in Fort Dodge here. This is not the only day we have a chance to break a record. Believe it or not, we have plotted here the forecasted high in the yellow. The records are in the red, and you can clearly see for the next 3 days where we have a chance to break 3 more records, maybe even a 4th. As we look at Sunday, just 1 degree away here. That could be 5, maybe even 6 days breaking a record here in the metro. And outside, the sun is shining right now, feeling like May, 78 degrees, southwest winds, a little bit gusty at 12 miles per hour, but at least they're warm here. As we look at the current temperatures here, a little bit cooler in northwest Iowa. We have a cool front moving through the area. It will pass by central Iowa, cooling off our temperatures later tonight, but will still be above the average high temperature for this time of year. Starting the day tomorrow in the low 40s. As we move to the southeast, you can see getting gradually warmer. Burlington starting the day off at 61 degrees tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll all be in the mid to upper 70s here, even folks hitting 80 in western Iowa, Denison and Council Bluffs here. We're not alone in this. We have 2/3 of the United States feeling the heat with us here. And the only folks that are right around average is the Pacific Northwest, and that's because they have a system kind of lingering in the area full of clouds and rain, and that's due to our jet stream, and that is looking like this here. It's kind of blocking us from that flow, keeping us dry and clear for the next couple days. We can take a look at that on Stormcast as we have this cool front push through the area. We have nothing but clear skies and calm winds to worry about tomorrow. But as we head into Friday, there's a slight chance of some clouds sneaking into southern Iowa, maybe even a chance of rain for you folks south of the metro. Highs for tomorrow, 70s and 80s again on Friday, upper 70s on Saturday, just in time to celebrate St. Patty's Day. 54 degrees tonight. It's going to be clear. Southwest winds turning to northwest once that front moves through, 4 to 8 miles per hour, very calm winds. Tomorrow, another beauty, 78 degrees, right near the record, hoping to break that for the third day in a row, variable winds, 4 to 9 miles per hour. Looking at the week ahead, 80 degrees on Friday, there's that slight chance of rain as we head into Friday to Saturday, 78 degrees on Saturday. Looking even further, we have a slight cool down, but we'll still be above the average high temperature for March by 25 to 30 degrees. Not only was it warm, but it was also sunny skies. Hopefully you had a chance to step away from your desk and get out there and enjoy the beautiful weather. If you haven't, don't worry, it's not too late. Still 54 degrees, winds out of the south, 12 miles per hour currently, very mild across the metro area. 46 for you folks in Marshalltown, feeling like it's 42 with that south wind, 7 miles per hour. Some cities are even trying to hang on to the 50s as we roll past 7 o'clock. Across the state, generally cooler to our north. This is because of the snowpack. With the snow on the ground, it's harder for the temperatures to warm up as they should. Tonight, not a bad night at all. We're all going to be above freezing in the 30s, but even some 40s, still trying to hang on in southeastern Iowa. Tomorrow, another beautiful day. 40s up to our north, a little bit cooler than the rest of us who are going to be hanging out in the 50s tomorrow. Satellite and radar shows a system moving in. Although there will be no precipitation with it, it will bring us some cloud cover, so it'll be a little bit cloudy to start off the day tomorrow. Stormcast shows the same thing, a trough moving through our area with this low pressure system setting up. This cold front's going to push through our area, but once this is passed, we have nothing but clear skies and light winds for the upcoming days. 40s and 50s for highs tomorrow, again on Wednesday, and seeing it again on Thursday. Tonight, 40 degrees, staying mild outside, staying dry. Southwest winds 6 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow it's going to cool down a bit to 54 degrees. Hey, I will take it. Cloudy skies, still warm outside. Southwest winds becoming west at 8 to 14 miles per hour. Wednesday is going to be mild at 52. Same thing on Thursday with a slight chance of rain. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you can't complain about the rain with temperatures like that. 37 degrees on Sunday and 38 to start the week on Monday. Well, it's been 7 days without rain here in central Iowa, but boy did that change. As we look at the ESP Live radar, we can see the system that moved through our area earlier this afternoon, and there's more where that came from around. But if we look at the 24-hour total, we can see how it really varies here. We have only 0.72 inches in Fort Dodge, but well over an inch down south in Lamoni. And speaking of warm temperatures, this is nothing new to us here in March. As you can see on this plot, we have the average temperature plotted down here way at the bottom, and these temperatures marked in yellow are our actual high temperatures for the month of March, and you can see well over average for 19 days here. We only have one temperature way back in the beginning that is actually below average for us in March. And right now you can really look at the rain-cooled air here as we look at the temperature map. This line right here really indicates where the rain and the clouds have been lingering all day, and over in northeastern Iowa they haven't seen the rain. So we can see that on the satellite and radar. The first storm system moved through, but there is a second patch right along the Missouri border, and that's about ready to head into central Iowa for a chance of rain later tonight. Stormcast shows the low pressure system draping down this cool front now. That's going to swing through our area the next couple days, increasing our chances for rain the next couple days. It's going to stick around for us, and the Stormcast projected rainfall shows by Tuesday afternoon we're going to have some areas over an inch of rain. Tonight, 61 degrees. The showers will be tapering off. Winds out of the southeast, 5 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow, another beautiful day, well above average, but we will have to deal with the scattered showers and storms. Winds out of the south, 12 to 17 miles an hour, gusting at 33. We are continuing to track the supercell as it progresses across western Iowa. Taking a closer look, you can see the warnings continuing to be extended as there is a confirmed tornado on the ground just west of Mapleton. With this storm, we are seeing the classic hook echo signature indicating the rotation in this storm.
Switching over to the winds, the red and the green colors indicate the opposing winds, which is just another sign that there is really strong rotation to the west of Mapleton. Again, there is a confirmed tornado on the ground. Those in the area need to seek shelter immediately.
We will continue to keep you updated as this progresses. Stay right here on ABC5.